Welcome everyone to the video of an awesome project called Radar. As ironic as it may seem, almost every invention solves a problem but brings another with it. The internet, for example, saved us from the monotony of paper storage and record keeping system by making it possible to store content on the cloud. Yet, because the internet is centralized, it has its own problems of unauthorized data access and monopoly by very few companies who own data centers. As a result, there was a need for some improvement, which decentralization has interestingly brought. But even decentralization did not come without its own problems. The multifaceted nature of Radar's ecosystem entails transaction charge being greatly reduced for end users. In fact, Radar charges only 0.1% exit fee for transactions. In addition, Radar makes use of all gas optimization techniques available so that users can have great experience on the platform. All these are geared towards maximizing capital efficiency, but that's not all about the platform. Radar's ecosystem contains features that allow autonomous asset management. This works by granting investors access to multiple asset management vaults, which they can choose from based on their preference in terms of fund manager, weighted ratio of the fund, and specific investment currency used within each vault. Another feature on the Radar ecosystem is the autonomous liquidity aggregator, which is also known as ALA. Simply put, ALA are designed to maximize capital efficiency for both asset managers and stakers by helping them take full advantage of the components of the ecosystem. Now let me tell you about some features that Radar offers. Lending and borrowing. The Radar AAM supports lending and borrowing natively in order to give users more options on the hand and to allow vault managers and asset allocators who have locked up capital to use as it is. Collateral for approval on browsing something. Users will be able to place their position within a vault as a collateral and continue to earn yield on those assets while also have access to capital. Auto-allocated capital. The Radar AAM also features an extra feature which we have briefly described in the introduction. Users who do not have the time or knowledge to choose proper vault in which to allocate capital can configure a general list of settings and permissions they would agree with, as well as some limitations and that they can grant the capital to the protocol itself. Governance-based permissions. Appropriate and necessary measures have been taken to ensure that the correct permissions are made available to asset managers so that they can ensure the assets are safe in a transparent manner through the help of smart contracts. Asset allocators have their fund tokens which prove ownership to the underlying asset, while fund managers are only allowed to distribute assets to whitelisted contracts, DeFi applications, and other such examples depending on the particular case. Radar is championed by a team of experts who have built formidable partnerships with other reputable business and corporations within the industry such as Orion, Hive, Paid, Insured, Bright, and Federal Network. So you see, if you join this awesome project, you would have all your money and all your time being followed back. So without wasting any of your time, you should join this project as soon as you can. So it's all for today. Let's see you in our next video.